Good morning sa inyo mga loads. Kaya ito na naman, may bago na tayong nalalaman patungkol kung paano natin i-delete yung ating mga Facebook page pag marami na kayong Facebook page na kailangan i-delete yung iba. Kaya dito na tayo mga loads. Paki-share and follow naman din sa aking home Facebook page, and then also tingnan yung maigi kung paano ko ginawa, at saka may matutunan kayo kung paano nyo burahin ang mga Facebook page. So that's all, and then share and follow, comment naman mga lods.
I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine. Why you keep on asking about my friend, Bo? Mess around and put up in the friend zone. With you is like being in the end zone. Touchdown, ayy. I be in the box like it's bento. Hit my heart beating, what's the tempo? Ain't the game running through your tempo. Bust down, ayy. I know.
So ayun mga lods, sumabot na kayo sa huling part ng aking video. So ayop na marami kayong matutunan at na-enjoy nyo kung napanood ang aking video. And then paki-follow na lang din, and sa share and react, like, and also comment sa aking Facebook page, Nabil's Vlog. And then maraming salamat po sa inyo mga lods. And then that's all, and God bless all.